comes to maximizing your workout performance and aiding in muscle recovery, nutrition plays a vital role. Consuming the right snacks before and after your workouts can provide you with the energy and nutrients needed to optimize your fitness regimen. In this video, we will explore 7 healthy snacks that are perfect for fueling your body pre- and post-workout. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Starting your workout session with a protein-packed snack is crucial for muscle preservation and growth. Greek yogurt, rich in protein, is an excellent choice. Pair it with a handful of antioxidant-rich berries, such as blueberries or strawberries, for added vitamins and minerals. This combination provides a satisfying and nutritious pre-workout snack. 2. Banana and almond butter. Bananas are a fantastic source of natural sugars, which provide instant energy. Spread some almond butter on a banana for a balanced snack that combines carbohydrates and healthy fats. The combination of these nutrients helps sustain your energy levels throughout your workout routine. 3. Trail mix. A homemade trail mix can be a convenient and nutrient-dense snack option. Combine a variety of nuts, such as almonds, cashews, and walnuts, with dried fruits like raisins or cranberries. This mix offers a perfect blend of healthy fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, ensuring sustained energy during your workout. 4. Whole grain toast with avocado. Whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado is a simple yet nutritious pre- or post-workout snack. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates for lasting energy, while avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber. This combination offers a balance of nutrients that will keep you feeling satisfied and fueled for your exercise routine. 5. Protein smoothie. For a quick and refreshing pre- or post-workout snack, consider a protein smoothie. Blend together a scoop of protein powder, your choice of milk or yogurt, and a handful of your favorite fruits or vegetables. Protein smoothies provide a high protein content, aiding in muscle recovery and growth. 6. Hard-boiled eggs and whole wheat crackers. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of protein, essential for muscle repair and development. Pair a couple of hard-boiled eggs with whole wheat crackers to add some complex carbohydrates to your snack. This combination will keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout your workout session. 7. Veggie sticks with hummus. For a light and refreshing pre- or post-workout snack, opt for veggie sticks with hummus. Carrot, celery, and bell pepper sticks provide vitamins and minerals, while hummus offers a good amount of protein and healthy fats. This snack is not only delicious but also provides a great source of nutrients to fuel your exercise routine. In conclusion, fueling your body with the right snacks before and after your workouts is essential for optimizing your performance and aiding in muscle recovery. The 7 healthy snack options mentioned above provide a balance of macronutrients and micronutrients to keep you energized and satisfied throughout your fitness journey. Incorporate these snacks into your pre- and post-workout routine to enhance your overall fitness experience. Stay healthy and enjoy your workouts.